I want to welcome to my video on 2023, Unleashing the Power of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. As we enter a new year, it's important to take a look at the advancements and trends that will shape the future. And there's no doubt that artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a major role in shaping the next 12 months and beyond. But before we dive into the future, let's take a quick look at the past. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for decades, but it wasn't until the last few years that we've seen significant advancements in the field. Thanks to advances in computing power and the availability of large amounts of data, we have seen rapid progress in areas such as natural language processing, image recognition, and autonomous systems. And as we move into 2023, we can expect these advancements to continue at an even faster pace. One of the most exciting areas of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which allows computers to learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. This has the potential to revolutionize industries from healthcare to finance, as well as everyday life. One of the major areas where we will see the impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning is in healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and make predictions, which can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. We can also expect to see more artificial intelligence-powered tools that can assist with tasks such as identifying cancer on medical images or monitoring vital signs of patients. Another area where artificial intelligence and machine learning will have a big impact is in the field of autonomous systems. Self-driving cars, drones, and robots are already being tested and implemented in various industries, and we can expect to see more widespread adoption in the coming year. These systems can improve efficiency and safety, and can even be used in situations where human workers may be at risk, such as in dangerous environments or in space. In the field of finance, artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to analyze market data and make predictions about future trends, which can help investors make more informed decisions. We can also expect to see more artificial intelligence-powered financial services and products, such as robo-advisors, which can help individuals with their investment decisions. In addition to these specific industries, we can also expect to see artificial intelligence and machine learning being used in more everyday applications. We will see more intelligent personal assistants and voice-controlled devices, as well as artificial intelligence-powered tools that can assist with tasks such as scheduling and email management. Of course, as with any new technology, there are also concerns about the impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning on society. One of the main concerns is the potential loss of jobs as machines become better at performing tasks that were previously done by humans. However, it's important to note that artificial intelligence and machine learning can also create new jobs and opportunities, and that retraining and education programs will be necessary to ensure that workers have the skills they need to succeed in a changing job market. Another concern is the potential for bias in artificial intelligence systems, which can perpetuate existing societal inequalities. It's important that developers and researchers take steps to ensure that their systems are fair and unbiased, and that there is transparent and accountable for any negative impacts. In conclusion, as we move into 2023, we can expect to see significant advancements in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and these technologies will have a major impact on industries from healthcare to finance, and on everyday life. While there are concerns about the impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning on society, it's important to remember that with proper planning and responsible development, we can harness the power of these technologies to improve lives and create a better future for all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.